Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn 9 planets of our solar system. Okay, we will see these planets one by one. But before understanding a planet, you know the term what is planet. Now, this term derived from the Greek word planety that originally means wanderer. What is the wanderer means? The thing which wander around or move. Basically, planets are heavenly body which revolve around the sun in an elliptical order, except Uranus and Venus. They move around the sun in anticlockwise, that is west to east direction. Okay, we have 8 planets. One planet is dwarf planet, that is Pluto. Now what is orbit? They all the planets move around the sun in fixed path, and these paths are called orbits. Now planets are again divided into two, that is inner planet and outer planet. Inner planets are those planets which is also known as terrestrial or earth-like planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Whereas Jupiter's are those planets which lies beyond the orbit of, like Mars, beyond the orbit of Mars, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Student, can you see this picture? In this picture, 8 planets are shown. This picture is the solar system. Now, here are 8 planets. You can see 4 planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are the 4 planets which is called inner planets, whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 4 planets which is called outer planet. Now we are going to see these planets one by one. Let's talk about Mercury. You know, Mercury is one of the closest planets to the sun and it does not have any satellite. It moves fast, or we can say it is fastest moving planet and takes only 88 days to revolve around the sun and 59 days to complete one rotation. Let's move on to the Venus. Venus is also known as Earth's twins or Earth sister. Why it is known as Earth's twins? Because it has similar to the Earth in size and mass. But it does not have any satellite and it also known as morning and evening star. It takes 225 days to complete one revolution, whereas 243 days to complete one rotation. Like other planets, Venus does not rotate from east to west, does not rotate from west to east, it rotates east to west. Let's move on to the survival planet, or one of the planet which have life, that is Earth. Now Earth is also called a blue planet. Why it is called blue planet? Because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. It has one natural satellite which is called Moon. Now Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution and 23.9 hours to complete one rotation. It is one of the unique planets of the solar system because it provides favorable condition for the existence of the life. Now, what is the major conditions which is favorable? First of all, it is neither too far nor too close to the sun, and it has optimum temperature for survival of the earth. Earth is rich in oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is essential to breathe, whereas carbon dioxide acts as cover to protect us from extreme cold. Earth has water. Earth is unique from other planets because of the presence of diversity of life, and so on. Next planet is Mars, which is also called red planet. Why it is called red planet? Because it assumes a brick-like color in the night sky. It spins on its axis in one day, whereas it takes 687 days to complete one revolution. Mars have two satellites, that Deimos and Phobos. Let's move on to the next planet, that is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system, which complete one spin on its axis in 9 hours and 56 minutes and complete one revolution around the sun in 12 days. Unlike Sun or Mars, it has many satellites. It has totally 67 satellites, out of which 53 are confirmed satellites and 14 are unconfirmed satellites. Move on to the sixth planet, that is Saturn. If Jupiter is the largest planet, then Saturn follows. The Saturn is the second largest planet, which spins on its axis in 10 hours and 40 minutes and takes 29 years and 5 months to complete one revolution around the sun. Now it has 62 satellites, out of which 53 confirmed and 9 unconfirmed satellites. Saturn has a spectacular ring made up of ice and ice-covered dust particles. Seventh planet in our solar system is Uranus. Like Venus, it revolves from east to west. It completes one rotation on its axis in 17 hours and 14 minutes. It has 27 known satellites. It is one of the coldest planets and takes 84 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Now, the last and the eighth planet or solar system is Neptune. It is furthermost planet in our solar system. It takes 16 hours 7 minutes to complete one rotation on its axis. It has 14 satellites and takes 164.8 Earth's year to complete one revolution around the sun. And that's all for today. Have a good day.